Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the bound of s between from 0 to number 1 and of y is between from 1 to 3. So in this situation, we can put the bounds on double integrals in here. And that should be like this. About the s, that is from 0 to number 1, and we put the function goal here. Next, on the next one, that is about y. So y, that should be from 1 to 3, and we put dy in here. And now we need to calculate about this one. So because we have the s, so y just likely the number, s is variable. So the integral of 2y, you got about 2sy. The integral of s squared, you got about 3s to the power of 3 over 3 multiplied by y squared. And number 3 and number 3, they will simplify. And we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 for s and number 0 for s. You will got like this. That's about 2y minus y squared, because if we put number 0 for s and s, you will got about 0 on the bottom in here. And now we just simplify like this, and now we got the final answer for dy. The integral of 2y, you got about y squared. The integral of y squared, you got about y to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds in here from number 1 to number 3. And now we got the final answer. So we put number 3 go in here, number 1 go in here, and we got the final answer. That's about negative number 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.